Hey everyone, welcome to Syntax Hub. I am Raj, and in this channel, I'll be making programming easy for you. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to improve, I'll share simple explanations, real world examples, and coding tricks to help you learn faster. If that sounds useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, let's get started. Today, we are exploring an important concept in programming, that is macros. Let's learn about macros. What is macros? A macro is a shortcut that replaces a piece of code with a predefined value or expression before the program is compiled. It helps making the code shorter and easier to read. So let's consider an example for macros. So macros can be defined using hash define. We have to give here a macro name and corresponding value for that. Let's consider a main function, int main. So in order to find the area, we need two variables, that is area and radius. Let's consider radius. Let's say 5, and area will be in float area. Here let's do calculations, that is area of triangle, then area of circle. Wait, what is the area of circle? That is pi into r square, that is radius into radius. Fine, let's print the radius, area. %f area. Let's run the program. Here we got the answer, that is 78.537498. Here this pi is constant for pi value, that is the value of pi is 3.1415 for every pi value. That is 3.1415 value is replaced in here, and how the calculation goes here is, that is area is equals to pi. What is pi? 3.1415 into what is radius? 5 into 5. This will gives you this thing, that is 78.535. Let's consider a few more examples to get familiar with macros. Let's say square of x, which will be x into x, and a main function, and now I am printing the macro by giving the value, that is 5. What will happen here is, this is a macro, right? We are using this macro, so we are passing a value, that is 5. This 5 will be replaced here, that is we'll get 5 into 5 here, and we are printing that 5 into 5 value. What is 5 into 5? That is 25. We'll get 25 as an output. See, we got 25. So what if I say I'll consider one more variable, that is result. In that place, I'll give a value, that is 25 upon square of 5. Fine. We already know that the square of 5 will return this x into x, that is 5 into 5, that is 25. And what do you think, guys, the output will be? I'm here printing result. The result must print, you guys will be thinking 25 by 5 into 5 will give 25. 25 by 25, that is 1. Like 25 by 5 into 5. This will give 25 upon 25. That will be 1, right? But that will not be case. Let's run the program. See, we got 25, not 1. Why? Why? Because here we're talking about precedence. 25. So what we got from macro is 25 upon 5 into 5. The macro will just replace the value, that's it. It will not give the counted value, that is 25. It won't give 25 as a result here. It will just replace this thing as this thing. Fine, 5 into 5. And what will be the 5 into 5? Here we got divided by and multiplication. That is, we have higher precedence in division, which means 25 by 5 will be evaluated first, then multiplied by 5 will be evaluated. With what will be the answer? That is 25 by 25 is 5 into 5. Got 25. Got it. This is how 25 is appeared here. Now I'm going to make a small change. That is, instead of doing this, I'm putting brackets over here. Now what will be the output? The output will not be 25 anymore because we got higher precedence to brackets. That is, here in the result we got 25 divided by square of 5. What will the square of 5 will return? It will return 5 into 5 because here we are passing value 5. In place of x we are getting 5 into 5. Let's comment it, and this will return 25 here by and brackets. The higher precedence is brackets. Higher precedence goes to brackets, hence brackets, the value within the bracket will be evaluated first. That is 25. 5 into 5 is 25 again, and 25 by 25 will return 1. Let's see the output. See, we got 1. And now I'll do one more change here. I'll remove these brackets from here and put those brackets in here. So now what will be the output? Here 25 will be there as it is. We are taking a bracket, and inside the bracket we are calling the macro, that is square of 5. In the 5 we'll get 5 into 5. Same as the previous one, but with a slight difference. 25 by 25, which will be 1. Got 1. Fine. Please make a short note that macros are only replaceable. It do not calculate. Like here we pass 5 into 5. That 5 into 5 is just replaced over here. It will not calculate as 25 and return 25 over here. Okay. So now let's play around macros. So now I'll consider a double named macro with the value char, a main function. I'll declare a variable a double typed variable, and print the size of that variable, that is percent %lu. Since we have declared a in double format, we are writing percent %lu, and let's print the size of a. What will be the size of a here? Will it be a double or will it be a char? Let's see. So here we get 1. 1 means the size of character, that is here double. Double here is not a data type alone. Here it is considered as a macro. Since it's a macro, it expands to char. That is, the double will be replaced with char. Now a will be a type of char, that is, hence we got the size of a as 1, because the size of character is 1 byte. And if we don't use this, we get 8 as an output, because declared a as double. Okay, due to the macro function, we got 1. We got 1. And now I'll make a small change. I'll put this here, not there, after declaring the variable. Now what do you think, what will be the output? Will it be a double, that is 8, or this double will be replaced with char? Let's see the output. See, we got 8, which means first it reads double data type, so it will print the size of double. Fine. Here this will not be working as a macro because this will be declared first, so the first priority will go to this, and hence we get 8. Thank you for watching videos, guys. If you liked the video or content I made, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And let me tell you an assignment to you, that is, will you be able to run a program without using main function? Fine, I'll make it highlighted, without using main. If you know the answer for this, please comment down in the comment section. If you don't know, we'll be telling about this in the next video. Thanks for watching.